We are 8 weeks deep. Can you believe it? 8 weeks. 2 months of consistency of me using the Cérecd Edge Drops by Cérecd. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are all doing very well. If you're new here, my name's Liz. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload new videos. Make sure you click here. There'll be a playlist for all the videos that I've done so far since day one of me using the Cérecd Edge Drops by Cérecd, so that you can have a better breakdown of what it's been like, what I've been doing, all that stuff, so that I'm not repeating myself, because I feel I have to repeat myself a few times. Excuse my voice. I went to sleep without a duvet and I feel like I've got a cold that's coming and my voice just sounds awful. What has been the update? These last 2 weeks I didn't use the dermal roller. I skipped a week of using it my last update, and this time around, the last 2 weeks, I couldn't find where I put it. I found it, so I'm going to use it again, but the past 2 weeks I didn't use it, in all honesty. I want to be very transparent with all these updates, as I've said to you already. So yeah, that's something that was different. Another thing I want to say is I've not been as generous with the amount that I've been applying, because it's almost run out. Whereas I feel like I was pouring so many droplets before, I feel like I was just pouring a few, in all honesty, you know. Before I was just like yeah. I wasn't doing that this time round. This is how my hair was looking like when I first started my journey. On that day I got my hair washed, trimmed, and then got it cornrowed like this. And this is 8 weeks deep. As I said already in the previous video, I'm now comfortable with saying I am noticing a difference with using this. Has everything filled out? No, but the parts that some of you said came out of my cornrow, if that is the case, the parts out definitely look fuller, because obviously I do 2 week updates. I'm gonna insert week 7. I feel like when I saw week 7, I was like, whoa. I started by that picture because it reminded me of how I felt when I saw week 2, where it just felt like a big jump. So yeah, this is week 7 and week 8. Yeah, I'm personally impressed, and I'm just hoping, you know, as time goes by, the parts where it's not as full, I hope catch up to the other parts that are looking fuller. I'd definitely love to know your thoughts. What do you guys think of this update? Do you think there's been improvement or no? Do you think it's pretty much the same? One thing that I am interested in is, obviously this is going to finish. There's hardly anything in here. So like I said already in my previous video, I need to top up. So I'm interested to see if there's going to be a difference when I'm not using this product. Because by the time I get another one, there will definitely be a break before I get another one, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm interested to see what would happen if this is phased out in my routine. But I would love to know you guys' journey. So many of you guys have been chatting to me and said you've got this now, and you know, you're trying the products. For some of you guys it's working, for some of you guys you're still not sure on what the progress has been like. One thing I'll say is definitely make sure you're taking pictures every week so that you can visually see. If you're seeing yourself every day, it's hard to notice any difference in yourself, so make sure you're actively taking pictures and videos. I take them weekly, because you guys requested updates every 2 weeks. I only show you every 2 weeks, but I take pictures and videos weekly so that I can analyze things. If I didn't, I probably wouldn't have noticed little differences here and there. So I'll definitely say do that already. Make sure you go to the doctors so that you can check your iron levels and vitamin D, because those are 2 things that you need to make sure are up to level when it comes to like hair as well. So make sure, you know, you get your blood tests, go book them blood tests to make sure everything is good. And one thing that someone mentioned, which I'm definitely going to adjust and change, is the way I do my cornrows in the future. I'm not going to do it backwards like this anymore. I'm going to do it, you know, going down this way. That's something that someone recommended to me in the comments. So that's one thing I want to change, and thank you, I appreciate it. I will definitely change that up. Like I said, I'm open to learning things because I don't know it all. So yeah, I just want to give a disclaimer. If you don't want to watch these videos, please don't watch them. I've always said this about my channel, you don't have to watch it. This is probably the 3rd time now that I've seen it. I understand I have traction alopecia. I have titled the videos and mentioned in all these videos that I have traction alopecia. So there's no need for you to be smart with your comments and tell, oh, they have traction alopecia. I'm also a black woman. What else is new? You're stating the obvious. I know, because I have traction alopecia doesn't mean I shouldn't try out products. I've gone through the medical route and it didn't work. And I was honest and transparent about my experience, which I've spoke about in I think week 2, so you can check that out. So you just telling me I shouldn't use the product. Why? I'm gonna test things out. So if I'm gonna be the guinea pig for others to embarrass myself by doing these videos, Like, let me do it. If this doesn't work, what am I going to do? I'm going to try other products. I'm going to try other methods and do so. I've done this throughout YouTube, yeah? All these years with products and stuff. And I'll say, guys, this is good. This is not good. This is work. This is not work. So there's just no need for like sarcasm. If someone has something, should they just give up and not do anything or not try anything? You know, even in life, there's some people when they're sick, they go down the herbal route and things work for them. Some people go down the medical route and things work for them. Some people combine both, okay? We're out here, we have one life, try options, okay? Like I mentioned in previous videos, making these videos are actually very uncomfortable because I'm putting something out there which is a current insecurity. People post these kind of videos after they've overcome said things, you get what I mean? During the process is not really nice, it's really uncomfortable. So if I'm coming out my shell to do so, I just don't understand what's the hostility. You're free to say whatever you like. Honestly, I don't even mind. When you guys give bad feedback, I don't mind. But when you're being like very smart in the comments, I don't get that. Especially because I'm someone that doesn't really block people. In my whole, 10 years or 13 years of being online, across my social media, I've probably blocked 30 people max, and that's because they've said like some really vile things. Outside of that, I let people say whatever they want to say, but I'm just going to put that out there, just a little reminder that I don't even have to do these videos in all honesty. I'm just trying to test things out and see if there's an option out there for others to be able to benefit from. Allow me to be the guinea pig for those that are interested in these videos. If you don't want to watch it, you don't have to watch it. But yeah, of course, like I said, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be back with my week 10 update. That feels crazy to say, me actually recording these videos for you. Wow. But again, for those of you honestly that are genuinely supportive, giving me feedback, are cheering me on the background, are with me on this journey, thank you so much. Honestly, hopefully the next upload there's another restock. I don't want to sound like I'm consistently repeating that, but yeah, it is annoying not being able to get your hands on this because it's consistently sold out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall speak to you in my next video. Bye.